Hello students. Today let us start with new chapter quadratic equations. We will understand what quadratic equations are and how to identify them. In chapter 2, we have already studied about polynomials and types of polynomials in detail. Recall that one type of polynomial we studied was quadratic polynomial. The highest degree of variable in quadratic polynomial is 2 and its standard form is ax square plus bx plus c. Now if we equate this quadratic polynomial to 0, it will change to an equation which we call as quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. For example, 2x square plus x minus 300 is a polynomial. If we equate it to 0, it becomes a quadratic equation. Similarly, 1 plus 2x square minus 3x is equal to 0, or 4x minus 3x square plus 2 equal to 0, or 1 minus x square plus 300 equal to 0 are also examples of quadratic equations. So in general, we can say that if we equate any quadratic polynomial px to 0, we will get quadratic polynomial equation px equal to 0, simply called as quadratic equation. Students, general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Always remember that general form of any polynomial or any equation is obtained by arranging all its terms in the decreasing order of the degrees on the variable in the given expression. If we observe our given examples, are all written in standard form? No, some of them are not written in their standard form. To write them in a standard form, arrange all the terms in proper order of their degrees. If we arrange all the terms, we get all the equations in standard form, as you can see on your screen. Thus, we can say that quadratic equation in variable x is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers. A cannot be equal to 0. Now students, can you answer why a cannot be equal to 0? Take a pause and think for the answer. Now suppose if I ask you that whether these expressions are quadratic equations or not, can you answer? Let's see. To answer this question, let us consider first expression x into bracket x plus 1 plus 8 equal to x plus 2 and x minus 2. Now, again, pause the video, take a second and simply have a look at this expression. Can you tell me whether it is a quadratic equation or not? No, it is not. Yes, that's right. If we look at the equation, it comes to us that it is not a quadratic equation, since the highest degree on variable in the whole expression is 1 and not 2. So we can say that it is a linear equation and not a quadratic equation. Now since we know that a quadratic equation has a standard form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and since our equation is not of this form, it is not a quadratic equation as well. Well, think about simplifying this equation. and we will see you in the next video with the answer for this question.